Charles Osborne currently holds the Guinness World Record for the longest case of hiccups for 68 years, from 1922 to 1990. And if you've ever had a case that lasted 5 minutes, can you imagine how irritating 68 years would be? Well, hiccups happen when the diaphragm, a sheet of muscle located at the base of the rib cage, contracts forcefully. That causes a rush of air into the lungs, which causes the vocal cords to close, creating that universal hic sound. Now, there's no single obvious cause. Laughing vigorously, being hungry, clearing the throat, electrolyte imbalance, excessive alcohol consumption. So there's really no way to prevent the hiccups. And everyone has their own remedy for curing the hiccups. Scare you, drink water from the other side of the glass, hold your breath. But if that doesn't work, or you have a case so severe and persistent that it disrupts your life, then you might need strong sedatives or antispasmodic medications. Unless, of course, you're trying to beat Charles Osborne and his record. You go. So now you know.